one more small part which I did not tell you in that first video, that was how will it look to the students once you complete the form. How will it look to the students? So for that you need to click on these three dots again, and the first option you can see there is a preview. So you click on the preview. Okay, now if as you click on the preview, you can see there whichever questions you gave, all the questions are there. As I did not give the first question, it's as it is there, and we don't even have any marks for that. So you can solve your own question paper there itself. Okay, so write your name. So I'll write my name here. Okay, and how many alphabets are there in English, the first question. I'll give my correct option here. Here also I'll give option number 1, as it says mandatory, it is compulsory, red dot is compulsory there, and I will submit it. Okay, once I submit it there, then we need to go to view score, and that will show our score again. Okay, from here, and now from here you can come back. Okay, and now you can see there is one pencil type of thing here. You can just click on this, so that you will come back to again edit. Now you can see there is one response which you have got here. Okay, just click on that response. Okay, once you click on this response, you will get all the responses, as many responses you have got from the students. Then you can get the responses summary, total, or question wise, or individual. You just need to click on individual. Okay, and this first part, this will be the number of students. As it is only one of one, I have only one submitted, so this is only one of one. This part will be active afterwards. Okay, once multiple students submit, okay, once multiple students submit these forms, this part will be active. Okay, and the next part you can see here, points are also given, point 1 of 1. Okay, as I have solved only 1 point, 1 point has got. Here first part is name, my name is already there, you can see definitely. Okay, that's how you can find out person wise, student wise also you can find out how many marks the student have got. Okay, and then about Excel sheet I will explain afterwards. Initially this was my small attempt to explain to how to create a question paper, so that everybody can do it even on the mobile phone. Thank you very much.